If you want to import Sketchfab models in Blender fast, this video will walk you through the easiest setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to install the Sketchfab add-on, log in, search for models, and import them directly into Blender without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and quick software guides. First, you need to download the Sketchfab plugin as a zip file from the official GitHub page. This plugin is the main tool that lets you browse and import Sketchfab models directly inside Blender. Once the zip file is downloaded, open Blender and go up to Edit, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Add-ons tab, because this is where Blender lets you install and manage add-ons. Next, click Install, then find and select the zip file you just downloaded. Blender will load the plugin into your add-ons directory. After that, you need to enable it, so search for Import Export Sketchfab in the add-ons list and check the box next to it. Once it's activated, the Sketchfab tool becomes available inside Blender. Now go back to your 3D viewport and press N on your keyboard. This opens the side panel on the right side of the viewport. You should now see a new Sketchfab tab. Click it and you'll find the login and search tools for browsing models directly from within Blender. Click Login and enter your Sketchfab account credentials. This step is important because logging in unlocks the ability to search, download, and import models from your account. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to find the model you want. You can browse through results, preview different assets, and choose the one that fits your project. When you find the model you want, just click the Import button. Blender will automatically download the asset, extract it, and place the model into your scene. This is the fastest way to bring Sketchfab content into Blender because everything happens inside the app. If you prefer to download manually from the Sketchfab website, choose glTF 2.0. Also known as .glb. This is the simplest single file format and it keeps textures and materials together, which makes importing much easier. After downloading the file, go to File, then Import, and choose glTF 2.0. Select your file and Blender will bring it into the scene. That's the full process for importing Sketchfab models in Blender quickly and efficiently. Whether you use the add-on for direct importing or the manual glTF method, both options make it easy to get high-quality models into your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Blender tutorials and beginner-friendly 3D tips.